Stopped on literally.
Here's this this guy. You want to come in?
Yeah, thank you.
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
Oh, that's why.
Oh, fireman? What?
Yeah, because of fire. It's fire service for some reason.
Oh, well, do we get on it?
Yeah.
Oh wait, camera.
Okay.
It's okay. These things are poorly maintained. Alright, I'm going down to parking level 3. You guys have a good day.
Okay, thank you. Oh, you can go. We're fine.
They had a son with special needs. So I'm very sorry about that. I wouldn't stop what they were doing. These things are just glitchy. These things are poorly maintained too. Go to 1. Oh, I almost hit the phone. Oh my goodness, I'm glad I didn't. I'm not a huge fan of these. This dry power. These are unfortunately not dry powered. Going up.
Yeah, we're
What?
trying to get to the aquarium.
Yeah, it's on the first level.
Oh, okay. Okay, thank
We're apparently going to be stopping on every single floor at this point. This is not... No, you don't get off. You don't get off.
We're almost there,
This is parking level. You're not at the aquarium yet. Oh, what's going up? You'll have to get the next ride. I'm going to take this one more ride.
almost finished. Doing great.
I'm very sorry about that. It's really busy in here and they got a lot. You're welcome. This is the aquarium. You guys have a good day. That was another family with a son with special needs as well. All right, parking level 3. Or you go, where are you guys going?
Awesome, thank you.
If you'd like, you could, yeah.
Okay.
And when we hold the door for too long, it ends up doing that. But it's not your fault.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, you guys are
Okay.
of course they
All right. You guys, you have a good day.
Thank you.
Are you guys coming down?
We're going up.
Oh, what floor?
To the aquarium, whichever level that.
To the first floor, yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
I do not like that. It's not supposed to happen. Aquarium's on the first floor.
Okay. Thank
All
you.
right, you're welcome. Oh wow, this is a nice polished floor. Nobody's really parked down here. We're gonna get the other elevator. These are nice. I am literally in Schindler 300A heaven. I don't know where the machine room for these are. There's just a bunch of mechanical rooms down here. We got one there. We got two over there, possibly more. There's more mechanical rooms. It looks very creepy down here. Alright, let's get this elevator at this point. These things are poorly maintained, unfortunately. I am not really liking these. I mean, somebody could literally get stuck in this at some point. Is it on the parking level 3? What's going on? It just came down, did it? Or is it stuck? Or it could be taking a long time to level. It says it's going up. I think it just glitched out. That is not supposed to happen. Newport on the Levee. Yeah, how come private property is getting away with this? This is private property, and you're literally getting away with poorly maintained elevators. This one is stuck now. People could probably be in there. It's on the parking level 3. P3. Not supposed to happen, not supposed to happen. Now I'm probably going to be trapped down here. There's security coming down here. I hear someone. They turned on a light right there. Is there another bank of elevators I could ride? These things are just... See, it's definitely stuck. Oh, here it is. What the heck? No! No, it just moved going up. That is dangerous. No, 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 no. That is not supposed to happen. How are you getting away with this, Newport on the Levee? You got poorly maintained elevators that are malfunctioning. It decided this is unsafe. How's the mall getting away with this? This elevator decided to move with the doors open. It did it the first time, so people won't get stuck.
We're going to. Get it on. Come on.
Okay, I guess it was working again now. Alright, this... Hopefully we won't get stuck.
We got on it. I don't know.
Why? Who was that?
Alright, this is parking level 1.
We're have to pay for those.
Is that where we go now?
Yeah.
Nope.
Did you guys need to go?
No, I'm trying to just go to the next one street. Just be, people. I didn't realize we went down first.
It was like all over the place.
Yeah, this one's malfunctioning. It literally decided to open up while it was moving in the basement. Yeah, you're going up. So guess what? When I was in the basement in the parking level 3, this elevator decided to start moving with the doors open. It opened itself and started moving. So these things are poorly maintained. I called them and let them know.
Well, that's good.
They should honestly take this out of service. This is highly unsafe. Somebody could get stuck at some point.
You guys have a good one.
I'm not trying to scare you guys.
No, you're not. No, you're fine.
It's done it. It's done it. I saw it. Can't believe I got that on video. I got content now. Oh, going down? What floor are you going to? You know what? That's it for these elevators. That does it for the video today. These things are not running.